Let's prepare a great mix for our nut butter machine together. Come closer. We also eat almonds, pistachios, chocolate chips, peanut, and powdered coconut on top. Now we're shooting this beautifully on our camera. Now we close our lid, and I turn on our machine. Yes, our grinding process is finished. We turned off our machine. I'm showing the consistency of our product. You can also prepare different mixes by combining various products like this in your own business. This way you can earn extra income.